Hey, it's Dr. Teresa Green, and I'm going to show you how to use your Zynex unit to set up. Actually, both the TENS and the NMES setting for the pad placement is identical. So for our purposes, I'll go ahead and turn it on to the NMES setting here. And I generally recommend that that little arrow is right next to the 10 by 10, which means it's 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off. In your manual, on page 19, it does show you how to set it up for IFC where you're crossing the pads, and then for the TENS it says to make them parallel. This is also the appropriate setting for the NMES setting. So let me show you on me what that looks like. So I've gone ahead and I've just tucked my shirt up so you can see. I usually, let me come around here, set the leads up first. So I'm going to take the red leads first, and we'll go ahead and just connect them, and you want to make sure it's a good snug connection, right? And then we've got the black leads, and we'll go ahead and put the black leads on. Remember, we're going to go parallel to the spine, and this is for a common low back pattern, but really wherever the pain is, you're going to put the pads just above and just below. So that's going to treat the area. So we'll start with the red leads first, and I'll pull both off by the pad, not by the wire. And I am going to simply, let's say I have pain right here. You can see the line is where my spine is. If my pain's right here, I'll go just above on the side and put the pad down, make sure the fabric of my shirt is not in the way. And then, again, to be discreet, we're going to try to, let's pull that over a little bit. That feels a little too lateral. So you're trying to get in the bulk of the muscle because that's what you're treating. Then we're going to slide all the way down. I'll go just below my pant line and place the pad there. You want to make sure it's got good contact. And then with that, I will take the black leads and I'm going to pull them off. And same thing, I'm going to try to trace right over and place it there. It feels a little off. And again, maybe not exactly perfect. I still feel like that's a little low. Let's go there. But I'm doing this without a mirror. And then the same thing here in the effort to be discreet. I'm going to go just below my pant line here and place that and make sure it's a good connection. So again, level pads, spines in the middle, and then the other pads are right here. To take the pads off, you're just going to make sure the machine is completely off. So turn the power off if you're uncertain, and then pull the pads by the pad, not by the leads, and replace them on your little sheet from NMES, or sorry, from Zynex. I hope that helps.